Yeah, hello students. Let us continue in our fifth video about the prime and natural. I've already explained you that in the last video I've already explained you that how 5 is a prime number and how 6 is a composite number, because 5, you can see here, there's only two factors, 1 in itself, and 6 has more than two factors, 1 itself there plus 2 and 3 also there. That's why 6 is a composite number. But let me show you 1 whether it's a prime or composite. Let's check. So to check whether 1 is a prime or composite, so students, to check whether the first natural number 1 is a prime or composite number, so we start like this, same way as I explained about 5 and 6 in the last video. This one, to check whether it's a prime or composite, we start like this. Whenever we find factors in a number, we should start with 1, as I showed you here also in this previous video. We should start with 1, and the last factor should try to divide, the last divide should try to divide as the number itself, and here the number itself is also 1, and in between whatever comes, right? But you know, after 1 and 1, between two ones, there's nothing, so we don't do anything. So let's divide this 1 by the first divisor 1. 1 one's a 1, remainder 0. 1 one's a 1, and 1 is 1, 0. Sorry. So yes, 1 is a factor. Now again divide this 1 by itself. 1 one's a 1, remainder 0. So yes, this factor. That means the factors of 1 are what? These two. But tell me, are they different? Some of you have two different names. You're known by some name in school, but you're not known by some other name at home or your friends. It doesn't mean that you're two persons. Only having names different doesn't mean that you're two persons. Same way, we're calling it 1 and itself doesn't mean that there are two numbers. Okay, there's just 1. That's why the first natural number 1 is neither prime nor composite, because prime number should have exactly two factors and composite number should have more than two factors. But here 1 has only one factor. 1 has only one factor, that is 1 itself. So that means it's not matching. Since 1 is only one factor, it's not fitting the definition of prime, and it's not fitting the definition of composite, because for prime we need exactly two factors, for composite we need more than two factors, but here 1 is only one. That's why the first natural number 1 is neither prime nor composite. That's why we say 1 is neither a prime nor a composite. It doesn't belong to any group. That's why 1 we don't write anywhere. Okay.